Hi, welcome to another macrame tutorial video. Today I'm going to share how to make this simple minimalist macrame wall hanging. Here are the materials we need for this project. Feel free to pause the video here to read the material list, or you can find them in the description box below. Let's start by creating a large set knot with a 90 cm wide cord to the dowel stick. Take one cord and fold it in half, and then put the middle portion where the loop is on top of the dowel stick. Wrap it around behind and pull it down. Now we have a loop open, and then pull the cord ends through and pull that down tightly. Do the same exact step to attach all the white cords to the dowel stick. Once all the cords are attached, we will create a vertical double half hitch knot with a brown cord. We're going to start from the left. I do a regular knot to create the first double half hitch knot. So place the one end underneath the first two cords, wrap the long end around, place it on top of the short end, and wrap it around behind, and then take the long end through the bottom of the loop. Feel free to rewind this step if you need to, because maybe it looks confusing at first, but actually it's just a regular knot. After it attached, slide it up to the very top and make sure it's tight. Still in the first two cords, continue by taking the long cord, wrap it around behind, and pull it through the loop. Make them neat and tight. There we have the first vertical double half hitch knot. Now let's move to the next cord. Place the brown cord behind the next two cords and then take it on top of them. Wrap it around behind and pull it through the loop. Do it one more time in the same section. So basically we will do it twice in each section. Now continue to create vertical double half hitch knot, the same exact step to every lark's head knot. You can slide the lark's head knot close to each other as you go to make it nice and neat. So now we have a row of vertical double half hitch knot, and here is the look from behind. Next, we're going to create square knots in the first row. We need 4 cords to create a square knots, so we will have 4 square knots here. Moving to the next row, we will start the first square knot with the next 2 cords. We will basically make a square knot between the 2 square knots in the first row. So we will have 3 square knots in the second row. What I'm doing here is to make the square knots on the right side only, so I will end up having some kind of triangle or half square diagonal. We're finally done with the square knot. Next, we're going to measure the length and then cut the fringe. Here I want it to be 23 centimeters in length from the dowel to the bottom. After that, we're going to untwist all the fringe like this. Now we're about to tuck the brown excess cord here in the left and in the right to secure the vertical double half hitch knots. I'm using wire to do this, but if you guys have a crochet hook, you can use it anyway. It will be much easier, I guess. Now the fun part, gently comb the fringe until it becomes smooth. Comb the front and back, flip it again and again until you're happy with it. And the last touch, trim the fringe to make it nicer. And finally we're done. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and I'll see you soon.